This is the moment where raw steel finally becomes a complete machine. If you haven't watched the previous parts, I highly recommend you watch them first, because today we're finishing what we started. After days of cutting, welding, grinding, and assembling, now it's time for the most satisfying step, the final paint job. And by the end of this video, you'll see the complete cultivator ready for the field. So stay with me till the end, because the final reveal is worth it. And here it is, finally complete. From raw steel to a fully finished cultivator. Every cut, every weld, every detail, done with hard work and passion. This is not just a machine. This is the result of the complete journey. If you enjoyed this full build series, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because many more powerful projects are coming soon. Thank you for being part of this journey. I'll see you in the next build.